Hello and welcome again to Institutional Quality Assurance Cell website of United International University. This page shows about the faculty performance evaluation form where the faculty member input his or her performance during the past academic year. This is an online platform for UIU faculty member to document his or her performance and evaluation of the performance during the past one academic year. And this form includes 4 areas. The part 1 includes teaching and supervision related performance of the faculty members. Part 2 includes 13 parts, including mainly the professional development area. And part 3 about self-reflection, and part 4 about overall self-evaluation that a faculty member needs to write in like kind of as a statement of or his or her performance during that academic year. Now let me show you how to log in or bring that faculty performance evaluation site. First, you need to go to the main website of UIU. There you have a link called UCAM. You click there and you put your login ID and the password. And once you logged in, you will see at the menu bar there is a tab called IQAC. You click there, and after clicking you will see the further link to go to the IQAC website, Institutional Quality Assurance Cell website. You click there, and there at the top right side, at the very right side, there is a link called Faculty Performance. Under it called Faculty Form. You click there. Now you will reach the Faculty Performance Evaluation form. And this form is showing the deadline to submit for each faculty member working in UIU is 30th June of 2018. And we recommend that once a faculty member completed 3 trimester, as we follow trimester system in UIU, once a faculty member completes all 3 trimester, by the end of 3rd trimester for one academic year, we can count, then he or she will fill this form. So let me go through from the beginning of this form, telling you how to fill this up and kind of introducing you with this form. Let's start going from the beginning. At the beginning, there is an instruction about the responsibilities of faculty member in 4 areas of teaching, research, administrative activities, professional activities, and community services. And it said that this form has been prepared considering the above responsibility, meaning that this form will include the comments from the faculty member about how a faculty member performed the responsibilities of the above 5 areas mentioned just now. Here you write your name, the name of your name of and your which program you are teaching in UIU. For example, you are teaching in BBA program, and you write your designation, lecturer, assistant professor, or professor. Now starts the part 1, and part 1 includes two areas. One is the teaching, and another is thesis and project supervision. There, in the teaching area, it shows a different trimester you taught, and by default the system will populate the courses you taught during these 3 trimesters. Next one, you fill the thesis and project supervision area. You handwrite input the title of completed thesis or project you completed with credit number, date of completion, etc. And then you press to save data for part 1. The part 2, number 2 for the thesis one is one for the graduate, number 2 is for the undergraduate. Similar way, you put the title, credit hour, date of completion, and other information. And once it is done, you press to save data. Then comes part 2, which include almost 13 different areas for a faculty member to put information about his or her performance. The first one about asking to put international or national conference attended, how many conference a faculty member attended or participated in the last academic year. For this form, it is asking to put 2017 performance, about which conference, where the location, role, or whether presence as a speaker, author, or participants, and the action and the status. Number B wants to put about training and other workshop, seminar related performance of the faculty member. And here you put the date, which date you joined, participated in a workshop or seminar, location, duration, and your role as a presence, like as a participant or resource person, or even as a speaker. Number C is about the paper published in journal or conference or book chapter or newspaper article that a faculty member did during 2017. Same way, you put the which day, the paper title, name of publications, volume number, impact factor of the journal, the important area that you must put the impact factor, because that will show the importance and the weightage of that journal that your article is being published. Number D, next item deals with your participations in research project in 2017. You write, if you've done any, you write the research area, project time, funding party, if applicable, how long it was, your role as a principal or co-investigator, funding amount, if any, you put the funding amount there, and you put the action and some status note there. You may add multiple rows if you participated in more than one research project. Yeah, you press to save data and you proceed to the next one, which is participation in departmental activities in 2017. And this may include your participation in other than your teaching or classroom teaching area, any other activities, the activity day, action, and status areas. The next one talks about participation in departmental committees. As faculty member, they're involved. Many of them are involved in many committees. Here you mention which committee you are involved and your position in the committee as a member or chairperson, and how many meetings you attended, and you may add more lines if you are involved or attached with more than one committee. Next one, number G, talks about in your participation and in advising and counseling in 2017 academic year. And this is a regular job that a faculty member need to provide to the students in advising and counseling. Here you put the number of advisees you advised during the last 2017 academic year, and how much time, average number of advising hours per trimester that you have given. You write, mention there, and you describe, put some line about what types of advising activities you have done and provided to the students. The next one, number H, talks about participation in school university-wide activities in 2017. It could be an event, a training session organized by us, by IQAC for the schools of business or economics, computer science, any training program, conference organized either by IQAC or other where a faculty member joined. So there you will write which school or university activity it was, which day, and you can add more if you attended more than one event like that. Next one, number I, is about the university level committees in 2017. Similar way, you write the committee name, and these are the greater scope of university level committees, and your position in the committee and the frequency of meeting minutes, how frequent the meeting was conducted, something like that. And if you're involved more than one committee, you can add more line there to add more committees. Next one, number J, talks about your service to the community and contribution to extracurricular activities in 2017. Again, similar fashion, you write what types of activity you have done in the last academic year, your activity date, and you can add more if you have done more than one. Number K talks about your professional affiliation in 2017. For example, if you are gained a new membership for any of the professional organizations like IEB, IEEE, ICAB, etc. So any new membership you received in 2017, you write the name of the professional body, you write the position if applicable, and if you get more than one, you add more line there to add the other one. Next one talks about involvement with industry, consultancy, committee member of external organizations in 2017. There you write the name of project or company and the details of the responsibility. Suppose if you are invited to work as an advisor for a short period of time by a company, you write the type of the company and the project it was and how long it you worked there. The next one talks about to put, and this is the last one of part 2, is about any local international contribution which you may think might leverage the image of UIU in 2017. It can be a voluntary service, or it can be an invitation by another local international company where you represent UIU to uphold the image of United International University. So it is about their details of that local or international contribution that you think it uphold the image of UIU. You write how long the program was, activity was, and the details about it. So that was all about part 2. You press to save data, and you move to the third section of the self-evaluation form, and they ask a series of questions where you select a value about your contribution percentage and then you may also add your remark for that particular. Let me read the points that ask you to give your input. First one, they ask, it is asking, did you return all the class test exam to the students within 3 working days of holding the test? Based on your performance, like always or most of the time, frequently, seldom, never, you select the right response that you have done it. The next, and a similar way, you select those areas. The next one asking, did you show the mid-exam script to the students within 7 working days of holding the mid-exam? So similarly, you select that one about your performance. Did you submit the final grade within 96 hours? And did any students want to see their final exams paper? If yes or no, you select the right response. Next one asking, did you regularly maintain office hours? Again, select your response, always, most of the time. Next one, did you attend all the orientation programs of your schools and departments? If you're always, select always. And then, did you participate all the official events organized by UIU on different national day, such as 17th March, 26th March? So again, you select the right response. Next one asking, did you take makeup class? If you missed any, whether you never missed a class, or if you did arrange a makeup class, select the right response of yours. Then, did you start and end your class on time based on your performance? Maybe if it could be always, it is true for all classes, you didn't miss a single class or deadline. Then it is asking, did you involve any of the forum of Career Counseling Center, CCC, or club or under DSA? And then you select the right response that matches your performance. Did you use ELMS for your course? If you done always, select always. If you are frequently, like 75%, you'll select frequently. Then, did you maintain course file through IQAC? Again, select the right response. Next one, did you upload your course syllabus through IQAC interface? If always, select always. If most of the time, you select that response. The last one of part 3 talks about, did you upload your lessons plan through IQAC website? Similar way, you select. So once you select all the responses of your performance, you press to save data and proceed to the last section, part 4, last part, that talks about your overall evaluation of faculty performance. Here you write your opinion, your reflection of what you think your self-evaluation was in 2017. As sentence paragraph mode you write. And the last area, you select this one, showing that you testify that all the information you provided here is correct to best of your knowledge. And once you click on the final submission, that's it. You cannot update to evaluate this evaluation form anymore. It will be finally submitted in the system with your response you selected. So that was all about the faculty performance evaluation form. If you have any question, please feel free to contact any of us in IQAC department. We'll be glad and happy to answer your call. Thank you very much for listening and wish you all the best. Thanks a lot.